Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Everything Online, Chapter 7, Verbs. Now verbs is a huge portion of Spanish language which accounts for most of the sentences and most parts of the sentences. Spanish is covered in verbs, nouns, adjectives. Now nouns and adjectives we have already seen, but verbs is to be covered. Now this part, verbs, is divided into 5 parts. So we will learn the first part in this one. So let's learn.
So let us begin with chapter 7 and part 1 of our verbs. So now we will be studying verbs along with its forms. That is, first we will see a verb in its infinitive form, that is with to in its beginning, and then we will see its 3 forms. As we'll proceed, we'll come to know about it. Now in this chapter we'll start with a small number. We'll just see 2 verbs. So let us see the first verb. The first verb is to know. To know. The word for that is saber. Saber. Now like I said, this to know is the infinitive form of the verb. Now this infinitive form has 3 other forms, that is the first person form, that is indicating to we ourselves. So I know. Now I know is said is yo sé. Again, saying yo is not important or not necessary, you can just say sé. So I know becomes sé. Second form is second person form, that is you know. So that becomes tú sabes. Again, tú is not important, just sabes. You notice here the last R is removed and an S is put. That is the only difference. And the third form is the third person form, that is he or she knows. Now the word for he in Spanish is él and the word for she is ella. Ella. Now sometimes when it is too obvious, él and ella are not pronounced, only sabe is said. But sometimes when it is not obvious who you are talking about, we say él or ella. So he or she knows becomes sabe. To know, saber. I know, sé. You know, sabes. He or she knows, sabe. These are the 3 forms. The next verb that we will be seeing is to want. To want. The word for that is querer. Querer. Again, the 3 forms of this verb to want, that is querer, are the first person form, that is I want, yo quiero. Quiero. Second person form you want, tú quieres. Quieres. And the third person form he or she wants, él or ella quiere. Now here you notice that the base verb, that is the infinitive verb querer, is just changing into 3 forms. The basic verb remains the same. First person form, the ending is changed to O. In second person, ending is changed to S, and third person ending, the S is removed from the second person. Right? So these verbs that take the forms of the base verb are called regular verbs. And the one that we saw previously, that is know, those are irregular verbs. So keep that in mind. Now we will see a small letter that is helpful for us to build sentences. It. 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 The word for it is lo. Lo. Now why this lo is important, we'll see that. This lo changes its positions according to the form of the verb that we are using. So for example, now when we use the infinitive form of the verb in a sentence, that for example like to know it, at that time we know for the word to know we have the letter word saber, and the lo comes at the end of it. So to know it becomes saber lo. But the same lo when it comes to other forms, that is the first, second and the third person form. For example here I know it, then we know for the I know we have the word sé and the lo comes before sé. Okay, So when the verb is in infinitive form, the it or the lo will come after the verb, and when the verb is in any other form, that is first, second or third person form, the lo will come before the verb. So now let us see if we can test ourselves in some sentences. So the first sentence that we'll try is, I want to know it. The verb for that is quiero saberlo. I want, quiero, to know, saber, and it, lo. Quiero saberlo. The next sentence is similar sentence, just interchanging the positions. I know you want it. The sentence for that is sé lo quieres. I know sé, you want, quieres, and it comes before the word quieres. So lo. I sé lo quieres. I know it is very important. Try recollecting the words very and important from our previous chapter. So the sentence is, sé es muy importante. Another small word that we'll be seeing which will help us build sentences is if. If. The word for if is si. Si. So how would you say this sentence? I want to know if it is possible. Quiero saber si es posible. Quiero saber si es posible. Now let us try some third person sentences. So the sentence is, he wants to know it. Quiere saberlo. Quiere saberlo. She knows it. Lo sabe. Lo sabe. And what if it's a question or it's in the form of a question? Do you want to know it? Remember that the question form, only the tone changes and no other extra words are added. So it becomes ¿Quieres saberlo? You want, so quieres, and to know it, saberlo. And only the tone changes, so do you want is also quieres and saberlo. So quieres saberlo. So I hope it was not too much and it was easy and you understood it. And we will be seeing many more verbs in the other parts. So if you have any doubts, please drop them in the comment sections and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.
So I hope it was easy and you got the hang of it. So do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Tell me in the comment section how you liked the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.